CMG, these are breezy.
My baby, she's leaving me now.
Yeah, we be reppin' the deuce. I'm the one and only 50 mess, we never gon' lose. From the top to the bottom, 50 mess in the booth. I'ma end it like this, pass the mic to the crew.
Skip a douche, you know what I do. Shout out to my 50 crews. Shout out to my boys, y'all niggas watch out cause we coming through with deuce. You know what we do. Run your shit, talk your shit, we coming after you.
Chill up with me, yeah, I'm scoping out the scenery. Hella net talk, hella show them got the strickle scream. Yeah, the niggas speaking on the mess and the deuce. Put his picture on the shirt, now they crying for they do. Did that bitch ass nigga on his block, huh? Got his bitch yelling out. Shit, I'm gonna pass this shit on to my little bro Teezy now. Come on now. I go by the name of Teezy, yeah, this rapper shit is easy. Got the deucer on my neck. Every time when you see me stepping in, I got the deuce. This ain't no pick and choose. Your bitch said she up the way, but low-key, I heard that she loose. Shut the fuck up. If you can't take the heat, get out the booth. You niggas still dreaming while I'm on my money moves. Jaden chop 'em up, I got the heat, we making pot roast. Yeah, your boy be going church, but you can meet the Holy Ghost.
Hard breezy in the building, hear the truth when I speak. Ripping dudes for the time, yeah, the circle step deep. Hit the mirrors where I'm from,